So Mico Wallpaper app. So let's check it out how to install widgets in here. So here's Mico Wallpaper app. And basically what you're doing is you can go and create an account, then you will have access to more widgets. But yeah, also without an account, you just go select a widget. For example, select this, and then you just need to tap Save Widgets in the bottom. The thing is, like some of these widgets are paid, you see crown icon. Alternatively, you can just also upgrade. Yes, you can see there are a lot of different widgets, but you need to find one which is not without a crown or upgrade, and then you can just see really good app in terms of widget collection. But anyhow, I have my widget saved. So I have home screen widget. I have them in here. As you can see, I have small widget like that. And I have lock screen widget. I have circular like that. So that's what it is. So then I can just tap and hold, and then I can just search for Mico in here. So then I will just find a small widget. I tap to add widget, and then edit widget, and then I choose a widget in here, and that's basically what it is. So then I find yeah, home screen widget just like that, and then I can just install it. And then also there is like a wallpaper when I can just tap and then add widgets from here, and then I have Mico widget here. If I tap rectangular and then click again, I don't have any widgets because I don't have them saved in the Mico app. But if I tap round widget, I tap on it, and then I have round widget, which is this. So then I have it. So yeah, that's the idea, and then you can just install it. If you wanna use the app to the full capacity, you can of course just go and upgrade. So here is your account. You can then just go and try to upgrade, and then just see here $50 lifetime, and then there is $4 per month, cancel anytime. So that's a quite good deal for the app. So that's what it is. So yeah, there you have it. That's the idea, and hope this is helpful.